Hi friends, it's me again, Miss B. I'm here to read for you guys again. I'm going to be reading We Love Trucks, but it's from the Berenstain Bears. They actually have a TV show, and I really like watching them. I don't know if you guys watch the movies, the cartoons, but this one, I really like them. The Berenstain Bears. We Love Trucks by Jan and Mike Berenstain. Grizzly Gramps drives a pickup truck. He is driving it to Farmer Ben's farm. He needs to pick up things at the farm. Where is he going? Where is he going? Grizzly Gramps is going to Ben's farm. Brother, sister, and Honey Bear are going with him. They love Gramps' pickup truck. You see them? They're right there. That's Gramps and his pickup truck. You cubs like trucks, right? Asked Gramps. Yes, they said. Here. Grandpa asked them if they like pickup trucks. Do you know what the answer was? They said yes. We will see lots of trucks on our way, said Gramps. Yay, said the cubs. Do you guys see trucks already on the way? If they're in this truck, what truck did they see? Is this a truck? No, this is a truck. It's a red truck. And this one back here, it is a truck. It is a yellow truck, and you could barely see it. It is with a green and yellow. Oh, look, there's another truck right there. Hiya, Joe, called Gramps. How are the flowers today? Nice and fresh. I'm sorry, nice and fresh, calls Joe. Oh, look, they know each other. Gramps is talking to Joe. And he has flowers in his van. Look. Any letters for me, Herb? Asks Gramps. Not today, Gramps, says Herb. In this one. This is a milk bill. He asked if there's any letters for him. And he said no. They see builders at work. Do you guys see builders at work? Look at, we're working. Hey, Gus, calls Gramps. Can we see your dump truck? Sure, says Gus. Gramps and the cubs get into the dump truck. It is huge. Gus dumps a big load of dirt at the back. Wow, said the cubs. What did he dump? He dumped a lot of dirt in a dump truck. They passed more trucks. Do you guys see trucks? I see a few. They're on the way to the hospital, said Gramps. It's loud, said Sister, holding her ears. Uh-oh. If it's loud, what did they see? They saw this car right here. That's the ambulance. A tow truck is towing a car. Careful, Jane, calls Gramps. Don't scratch it. That's the tow truck. That's towing another car. It's taking it. Maybe it doesn't work anymore, or they're going to go fix it. They come to a firehouse. The fire trucks are parked outside. The firefighters are practicing. Oh, look it. And what do firefighters do? Do you guys know? Do you guys remember? Have you guys seen a firefighter work? They're making sure there's no more fires. And they're going to put it out if there are with the water they pour. Look, you see how the truck, how it's pouring the water? That's how they're practicing. They're making sure they're doing their job. Gramps and the cubs stop to watch the firefighters squirt water from a hose. They climb a big ladder. What kind of ladder did they climb? A big ladder. Look at that. Big. Gramps and the cubs pass bears picking up trash. What kind of truck is that? If it's picking up trash, it is a garbage truck. They pass bears pouring cement for a sidewalk. What are they pouring? Cement. And they're pouring it for a sidewalk. Where you guys walk, that's how they have to do it. They have to pour cement. Someone is moving here, said Gramps, stopping. He shakes hands with the new family. Look, he's shaking hands. They're, what were they doing? They're moving in to a new house. Maybe it's a new house. It says a new family, so they're probably moving in with them now. Welcome to the neighborhood, he says. Oh, look, that's being really nice. Telling them that welcome to the neighborhood. They're being friends now. They're making new friends. Gramps drives on. They pass a car sale lot. Bears are unloading cars. What are they doing? They're unloading cars, which means they're putting the cars off of the truck. They're putting them right there. Look, next, there's more room over here. Wow. Be careful, boys, calls Gramps. Don't drop any of them. Oh, he told them to be careful. That's a lot of cars they're putting down. They're unloading the cars. Gramps stops at a gas station. Bears are at work, pumping gas. What are they doing? Right here. They're pumping gas for the truck. Or else they can't go anywhere without gas. They pump in They pump it into big tanks in the ground. Oh, look. So this is a gas truck, and they're putting it in the ground. Hmm. Did you know they do that? Out on the highway, they pass a really big truck. Honk. That's a big truck. How did it go? It went honk. Look at right here. Honk. He's pulling the little horn. The cub asked the driver to blow his horn. How did it say again? Honk goes the horn. So the horn goes how? Honk. Good job, guys. Gramps visits his friends, the Browns. They are getting ready for a trip. They are going in a big truck. So he visits his friends, the Browns. And what are they going in? They're going in a big truck for, where are they going again? Let's read it. They're getting ready for a trip. What kind of trip do you think they're going? I wonder. It is like a house on wheels. Oh, so this truck is like a house on wheels. That means you could probably sleep in it. You see it? It has a table for you to sit down. The Cubs go in. It is nice inside. They even have a TV. Oh, I didn't see the TV. Do you guys see it? Oh, look it right there. They have the TV, the bed, a couch. Wow, it is like a house inside. Back on the road, they pass a line of trucks. Soldiers are on the trucks. They are from the army. Oh, so where are the soldiers from? They are from the army. Gramps and the Cubs salute. The soldiers salute back. Oh, look at they're saluting. Do you guys see where they're saluting? Right here. Look, they're going like this. Finally, Gramps comes to Farmer Ben's farm. That's what they were going, remember? From the beginning of the book, they said they were going to the farm. Gramps loads baskets of fruit into his truck. What does he load? What is he loading? Look, do you guys see? Baskets of fruits. Farmer Ben is going to a farm show. He is putting his donkey into his truck. The donkey does not want to go. Good luck, Ben, calls Gramps. Look at he's putting the donkey. Did donkey want to go? No. Doesn't look like he wants to go. Huh. Maybe he doesn't like being in the truck. I don't know. Gramps drives back to the treehouse. Lizzie and Barry Bruin are visiting. Bye, Cubs, said Gramps. Bye, Gramps, said the Cubs. We had fun. Bye bye, little truck, says little honey. Look. And that is the last page of the story. Saying bye to each other. So they love trucks. What do you love? Do you guys love trucks? Cars? You'll tell me next time when we see each other. You guys tell me what you love. Okay, guys. Well, I'll see you next time. I miss you guys. Hope you're having a good time reading, writing, learning your ABCs, counting. Well, hope to see you soon, guys. Bye.